Hey guys, and welcome to today's project of making Gougères or fancy cheese puffs. They are fantastic as little appetizers. The ingredient list is in the description. It is a baked savory pastry made from choux pastry mixed with cheese. There are many varieties. The cheese commonly used is Gruyère, Comté, or Emmentaler. For this recipe, I will be using Emmentaler. Let's start. You'll need a medium pot with 190 grams of water. Pour in 2.5 grams of table salt, then 60 grams of butter. Bring that over to the stove and turn on the heat to medium to high. We want the mixture to boil to melt the butter as well. In the meantime, measure out 110 grams of plain flour and sieve it. Once the mixture has come to a boil, pour in the flour and whisk well. Whisk everything until it comes together into one mass. Once that has happened, use a wooden spoon to continue the cooking process for about 1 minute. You want to cook it until it resembles mashed potato. You should be able to touch it without it sticking to your fingers. Transfer that mixture to a mixing bowl. We'll be using the paddle attachment. Take it over to the mixer and turn on your mixer to low speed. We want to mix it until the dough cools down to about body temperature. In the meantime, measure out 200 grams of whole eggs, or about 4 eggs. Once it reaches to body temperature, pour in the eggs one by one. It will take a couple of minutes. You want everything to be mixed properly. You will know it's done when it flows nicely as you drop it and there is a nice shiny gloss finish. Just look at that drop. Now you can pour in 80 grams of finely grated Emmentaler, or any cheese of your choice. Fold that gently until everything has been incorporated. Now take a piping bag with a round nozzle and fill the bag. Take your baking tray with baking paper, pipe some rounds and give them some height. To make them a little extra special, crack some fresh black pepper and dust on top some hot smoked paprika, just for added flavor. Go ahead and bake that in an oven set to 210 degrees Celsius for 24 minutes. Take them out once they are done. These are some rustic looking ones with some character. There you go, cheese choux pastry. They are great as a snack. If you want to give them a more uniform look, you can pipe them in a semi-sphere mold. Pipe them to about 3/4 of the way, following the same with the black pepper and hot smoked paprika. And if you want to add another element, cut a little square of the same cheese and place that on the top. Watch those just nicely puff up. They aren't going all over the place since they're in the mold. Like before, take them out about after 24 minutes. You might want to bake them for a little longer depending on your oven. There you go, nicely round and uniform. Also with a smooth round bottom. You decide which is sexier, the rustic looking ones or these ones in the mold. The choice is yours. In the meantime, I'm gonna go and enjoy these. And there you have it, Gougères or fancy cheese puffs. As usual, it was a pleasure having you follow me on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watched, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.